The camera is one of the most used apps on the iPhone 14. However, some users encounter the annoying problem of the camera app suddenly closing on its own while in use. There are several troubleshooting steps you can take to prevent the camera app from crashing unexpectedly. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Reboot your iPhone. An abrupt camera app crash is often caused by a temporary software glitch. Simply restarting your iPhone 14 can clear out the problem. Press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the slider shows on the screen. Drag the slider to the right to turn your iPhone off. After a few seconds, press and hold the power key until the Apple logo appears, and then wait until it finishes the reboot. Check for available storage. If your iPhone storage space is nearly full, it can cause performance issues. That's why it's important to make sure that you still have enough for the apps and services to run properly. To check the storage, launch Settings, and then tap General. On the next screen, tap iPhone Storage, and then check if your iPhone still has enough space. If you only have 4 GB or lower, then you need to delete some of your pictures, videos, and apps. However, if you still have enough and the camera continues to crash, move on to the next solution. Update the iOS software. Updating to the latest iOS version can fix app crashing bugs. Apple frequently patches issues with app stability and software updates. To check for an update, launch Settings and then tap General. Select Software Update and then allow your iPhone to scan for new updates. If there's an update available, download and install it to see if it fixes the problem. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings restores the camera app to its original factory condition, clearing any problematic settings that may affect the camera. This gives the camera app a fresh start, which could resolve any issues causing the crashes. To reset all settings on your iPhone 14, launch the Settings app, and then select General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then select Reset. Select Reset all settings, and then follow a few on-screen instructions to proceed with the reset. After the reboot, continue using the camera to know if the problem is fixed. If not, then you should consider doing the factory reset or having your iPhone checked. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.